When starting the gym and wanting to get into the best shape of your life, you need to make sure that you're training your muscles as effectively as possible, especially when you're a beginner and have the best rate of muscle growth you'll ever have. And a huge part of unlocking this huge amount of progress is what exercises you consistently use. I'm going to show you the 5 exercises that you need to be doing to gain strength fast and build a solid foundation of muscle. These exercises are called the Big 5. They are exercises that incorporate more than one muscle group, allowing you to train many muscles and are the best in improving your strength and your power. They are also known as compound exercises. Remember to focus on perfecting your form on these lifts beforehand. Then when you've got that sorted, start using progressive overload every session, trying to increase the weight every time you can do 8 reps with ease. Now let's go into the exercises. The first exercise is my favourite, the bench press. This is very good for overall strength progression. It primarily works your chest, allowing you to develop good size, as well as additionally developing your triceps and shoulders too. I'd advise using dumbbells over barbells for this, as it gives you much more mobility and will allow you to hit your chest much more effectively. You can also adjust this exercise by doing it on an incline or decline bench instead of a flat bench to focus more on the upper or lower chest. In my opinion, when looking to develop visual chest muscle, focusing more on the upper chest and incline bench will give you much more success in this. When performing any bench press, your focus should be on lowering and controlling the weight on your chest, with your elbows facing the floor, and then push up again, slowing at the end. The second exercise is pull-ups. This effectively works your biceps, back and forearms. If you are already good at this, you only need your body weight and a horizontal bar. However, if you're struggling with pull-ups, you can use the assisted pull-up machine, in which you can add weight to help you do the pull-ups easier. Or you could use resistance bands to help pull you up. There's 3 different types of grip you can use too. The first being an underhand grip, which will give more of its load to the biceps. Secondly, an overhand grip with more focus on the back, or a neutral grip, which is normally the easiest. The third exercise is squats. This is very often done in a squat rack with a barbell, with the focus on standing with your feet shoulder width apart, bending at the hips and knees, and then once you're down at a good depth, powering back up. Squats are very effective in hitting your lower body and will hit your glutes, your quads, hamstrings, calves and hips, and therefore will help you build lower body strength and size. You could start doing this on a squat machine or using kettlebells if you aren't confident to start off with. The fourth exercise is deadlifts. Deadlifts engage so many different muscles, like the legs, back, forearms, and shoulders. You stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and you pull the bar up until you're standing, whilst maintaining a straight posture and back the whole way through. It is very important that you nail down the form on this exercise, as if it's performed wrong, it could end up very bad for your lower back. And if you've had loads of lower back issues in the past, then maybe start doing this with a low weight. And the final exercise is shoulder presses, where you take your dumbbells or barbell on your chest and then press the weight above your head and control back down. This will really work your front delts and help you build up the foundation of your shoulder muscles. As well as this, it will also incorporate your triceps and your traps as secondary muscles. All of these exercises will help you build overall strength and muscle growth. Fitting some isolation exercises alongside these core lifts will start transforming your body in no time. Many new lifters or some advanced lifters also have the issue of thin, small necks and traps, meaning they often struggle to fill out their shirts despite good overall muscle growth. If this is also you, watch this video to see some easy exercises that will help fix that. And why not hit subscribe too if this video helped.